The ball poem is written by John Berryman. Okay. The poem is being narrated to make you understand what is the value of loss. The poet has tried to teach a lesson by using the poem. The main fact is what is loss. The boy who has been playing with his ball. Yet the ball is a symbolic word. The ball is a symbolic word. It does not mean that the poet is trying to only describe that what is the ball and what is the importance of the ball. It is not like that. The fact is what? The ball is being signified to opportunity, to the thing that you possesses. Possesses means, suppose I have a pen and this pen was given to me only to write everywhere, wherever I should go, and there is a need to write it down something, and I am just asking, I don't have pen, will you give me your pen? Or maybe will you borrow me a pen? If you are asking too many times, if you don't have your book and copy, so you will suffer obviously, and you will ask to your neighbor, you will ask to your friend that will you share your book, will you share your copy, will you share your homework? What does it show? It shows that I am not responsible. So poet is trying to teach that we must have to be responsible also. Being a student, being a teacher, being a normal citizen, we must have to be responsible. If you are or I am not responsible, the thing which is with me will be lost. And I will not entertain the thing what I have been. I am lucky, you are lucky. Your parents have given you everything. You are one of the luckiest one. Because you are getting opportunity to learn something because of your parents. They are working hard in order to fulfill your all desire. Remember, you are in debt. You are in debt. And you should not make any kind of a plea that actually the situation was not good. The electricity was not in my home. Where I was studying, it was very hot. Season was not good. I was suffocating, I was suffering. There are many kind of questions that rose in our mind. Nobody is healthy and nobody is suffering. It is only the figmentation of our mind. If I do not want to fulfill the task, if I do not want to be a good student, a good son, a good daughter, good citizen, then I have many, you can say, plea. And that particular plea will be listened by people. People will forget you. Okay, no problem. You were suffering. You could not do because you had no any option. People can understand. You can make them understand also. But how will you make yourself? How will you make yourself an idea? How will you give an idea to yourself that actually I was suffering? I was even unable to open my eyes. My hands were not working. It was trembling while writing. I was not feeling energy. That's why I could not do that. So these all are for others only. The poet is trying to teach that the loss of opportunity and the loss of things, it is an inevitable character. It is a compulsory character. The things will be lost. We cannot stop it. because it is a natural phenomena. If you have something, make sure one day that thing will be lost. If you are having something which is very close to you, make sure one day that thing will be lost. If I am living with my parents, it is 100% sure, universal truth, that my parents will not be with us or with me forever. Parents are not going to live with us forever. They will leave. They will leave one day. They will depart. By saying goodbye. Now it is your world. You handle. Because I tried to teach you how to handle the situation. I tried to teach you some beautiful knowledge. It was an art which was tried in the form of teacher, in the form of your parents. Parents tried to teach, parents tried to provide everything, whatever you wish. But if somebody is providing me, giving a piece of chocolate, giving a piece of pen, giving chance to go to the school, giving money to buy your books, who will take care of the things? Obviously, if you are getting that things, you will have to take care of your things. This is the actually background of this poem. Poet is trying to say that if a ball was with the boy, and boy had been playing with the ball since the ball was purchased, since the ball was gifted, and it did not behave anything wrong. The ball was simply jumping and coming in my hand. Take an example of your ball. If you bounce the ball directly comes in your hand. But if I don't touch the ball once again, ball will jump, and if you could not hold, it will once again jump, and energy, the speed of the ball, the intensity of the ball will be lost, and finally it will roll down somewhere else. If the person, those who are throwing the ball on the ground, and the intensity of the person is not good, the ball will take an edge of the ground. Ball will take an edge of the ground and it will roll down somewhere else. As I told you, the ball is your opportunity. Ball is not a simple ball. Ball means your opportunity, your thing, your knowledge, your power, your enthusiasm, your happiness, whatever you possesses. It was given. The happiness, what I got, the strength, the power, the knowledge, the ideas, ये सारी चीजें जो मुझे मिली, सबको मैंने अपने पास रखा. I kept for what? क्यों रखा? जब मुझे इसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी, whenever I feel that the ideas should be used, on that stage I will use my idea. I will use my knowledge. Knowledge is not meant to be depressed. Knowledge इसलिए नहीं लिया जाता कि उसे डिप्रेस करके बक्से में बंद करके रख दे. इन माइंड इट इज अ स्टफ. दिमाग में भी भर के रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ यू आर शेयरिंग योर नॉलेज, इट विल इंक्रीज. If you have some ideas, if you know some answer, need to share. It will be polished. Like shoes, the example of polishing your shoes. If it is a real shoe, the polish will just make a glow on the shoe. If it is a wood or wrong thing, if you are polishing, that shine will not come. So if you have acquired knowledge, you need to polish your knowledge. You need to share your knowledge. If you are sharing your knowledge with your partner, if you are sharing your knowledge with your parents, if you are sharing your knowledge to teachers, even the student or the person who does not have the knowledge, same as usual, I am just compare my words to a ball also. You have a ball. Maybe your friend has not any ball. You are sharing your ball with your friend that come on, let's play. Is it happen or not? If I purchase a single ball, by using a single ball, at least 11, 12 or 13, 15 players can easily play. That means it is my knowledge. It is my knowledge that I kept. So my knowledge is distributing among the people, among the 15 people or 11th people. So all the 11 players are playing with the ball. Same. That is, if the ball is lost, all 15, 11 or 12, whatever the number, will be simply stuck. And it will be stopped. Then another question comes in our mind that, okay, no problem, I have money in my pocket. My father will give me, my mother will give me, my parents will provide me, I can buy. Yes, it is right. You can buy the balls. You can buy the balls. But that ball will not be back. You can buy the ball. You can change your book. But that book will not be back. If you have knowledge, you did not use, and that knowledge was lost. So that particular knowledge will not be back. Once again you will start. Once again you will start by learning. Once again you will be okay. It is new. It is renew. It will be called renew. But if you are polishing everything, it will not be called renew. It is called your knowledge. So the poet by this poem has taught that losing is a phenomenon. Balls after balls, balls will be lost. But once the ball was lost and I was standing, I learned a lesson. What was the lesson? The lesson to keep the ball in safe hand, so that the next time the ball should not lose. You have been learning right from class 1 or class nursery, and that day onwards people started feeding in your mind that one day you have to be something. One day you have to do something. It was a journey. It was a journey. It just started in class nursery. When you went in class 5, it just got a little bit of strength. Somebody could not polish it, the strength was decreased. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. स्टार्ट तो सारे लोग किए थे एक साथ, लेकिन वहां तक आते आते अब डिफरेंसेस हो गए. कोई तेज हो गया, कोई मीडियम हो गया, कोई बिल्कुल कमजोर हो गया. फिर भी वो जर्नी चलती रही. तो क्या इस जर्नी के पीछे एक बार सोचे कि वो कौन है जो मुझे इस जर्नी के लिए फोर्स किए जा रहा है कि कमान कोई बात नहीं है, डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी. इफ यू लॉस्ट, if you lost the first chance, no problem at all, come on, another chance, try it. You tried in another class, once again you lost. Your parents, your teachers once again encouraged you, come on, no problem, do it fast, you can do. And that particular word was hunting in your mind that yes, I can do, I can do, I can do. until unless I don't achieve, I continued my journey, continued in my journey, continued in my journey. But if I was failed in order to shape myself in these 15 or 12 years, later on, the person, those who are at the back, will be old, will be energyless, and will say, come on, goodbye, beta. Now I am leaving the world. Now the world is yours. Handle it, because you are not here alone. You have to give some message to coming generation also. I tried my best to give you. Now it is yours. You should handle it. And whatever you have been doing, always remember, the coming generation will do more than you. If I am losing every day, if I am not carrying my essential things, the coming generation will, whoever is related with you, will do the same, more than you. अब जितना आप कर रहे हो उससे ज्यादा वो करने वाले हैं. जितना हम केयरलेस हैं उनसे ज्यादा केयरलेस आने वाला जनरेशन जो आपसे जुड़ा हुआ होगा वो होगा. तो व्हाट विल यू आस्क टू देम? उनसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछोगे? तो वो कौन सा लिगेसी पास आउट करोगे? लिगेसी इज इनहेरिटेड. लेगेसी इज इनहेरिटेड. जो लेगेसी होता है ना, वो इनहेरिट होता है. One generation to another generation, one part to another part, one person to another person. Sometimes senior, sometimes juniors give to the junior. This is like a chain we have been getting. So the poet is trying to what the boy is. Now what will the boy do? It was merely bouncing. I saw. Who saw? Poet saw. Put your finger on the line. Poet is trying to say that I saw the ball was merely jumping and rolling down. The ball was rolling down. It rolled in the street and finally it was bumped into the drain or water body. The boy was chasing the ball because the boy did not want to lose the ball. That's why the boy was chasing. He was running behind the ball. But as he was about to catch the ball jumped into the drain. Ball jumped into the drain or river body or maybe any ditch where you cannot enter. Now you are standing and watching the ball. You are trembling, you are shaking, you are confused, you are about to cry. Oh my God, I lost my ball. So when you are watching the ball, the memories which was connected to the ball, when I purchased, it was given, something, या तो मैंने खरीदा था, या तो मेरे को गिफ्ट में मिला था. अब मैं क्या करूं, पिछले 10 सालों से मैं 2 सालों से मैं इतने दिनों से मैं इस बॉल के साथ खेल रहा था, ये तो कभी मेरा साथ ही नहीं छोड़ा. समथिंग वॉज रॉन्ग, समथिंग आई डिड रॉन्ग. कुछ तो मेरे से गलत हुआ. एंड आई कुड नॉट हैंडल, आई कुड नॉट कंट्रोल द बॉल. That's why the ball rolled out. And it rolled fast. It also alarmed me. ऐसे नहीं किया, उसने मुझे अलार्म करके बोला मैं जा रहा हूं. ऐसे अगर अचानक जाता मेरे हाथ में बॉल था और गायब हो जाता. It did not give me alarm that I'm going, but it bounced, took aim means alarm. देखा क्या किया तुमने एज पे मारा, और एज से तुम्हारे पास आएगा इसकी गारंटी नहीं है. अगर हम कॉर्नर पे मारेंगे तो बॉल मेरे पास आएगा इसकी गारंटी नहीं है. But if I'm just throwing the ball on plain surface and standing waiting to receive the ball, obviously the ball will be back in my hand. If I'm using my curiosity and knowledge on a particular solution, the answer will be back to me. But if I'm using no ideas, if I'm using unnecessarily my ideas among the people, there will be no answer. There will be no answer. And your wit, your intelligence will be lost. It needs to be calmed. So the boy was standing and shaking. See, in your book also it is given. So boy was standing and watching the ball. I was watching. Who was watching? The poet was watching. Poet was watching the boy. The boy was trembling, watching the ball. And no use to say. ये पोएट कह रहे हैं, नो यूज टू से, कहने की जरूरत नहीं है किसी को कि बेटा बॉल और मिल जाएंगे, बहुत सारे बॉल मिल जाएंगे, कहने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. नो, ही नोज वेल, वो बच्चा भी अच्छी तरह जानता है कि बॉल और भी मिल सकते हैं. बट द मेमोरीज विच वॉज कनेक्टेड टू द बॉल, दैट पर्टिकुलर विल बी लॉस्ट, दैट विल नॉट बी बैक, वो नहीं आएगा मेरे पास. और इस वजह से वो कांप रहा है. वर्ड कहते हैं कि लेट हिम बी अलोन, उसे छोड़ दो अकेला. एंड लेट हिम बी लर्न्ड अ लेसन ऑफ लॉस, दैट इफ आई डोंट कीप द थिंग्स इन माई सेफ हैंड, it will be lost one day. And he learns. This is called epistemology of loss. Epistemology means knowledge. Knowledge of loss. Always remember, it is said that opportunity knocks at once. We have heard many times. सुन लीजिए गौर से. हर इंसान के जीवन में अपॉर्चुनिटी एक बार जरूर दस्तक देती है, एक बार जरूर नॉक करती है, मौका जिसे कहते हैं. और उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को पहचानने के लिए ही हम बचपन से पढ़ाई कर रहे होते हैं, या एक प्लेयर खेल रहा होता है. एक फार्मर, एग्रीकल्चर करने वाला एक फार्मर जो है वो खेत में काम कर रहा होता है अपॉर्चुनिटी के इंतजार में कि एक बार जब अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिलेगी तो मैं अपना 100% दे दूंगा. और मैं इस अच्छा जब अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगा तो देखा जाएगा. I should not work hard. I want to be an IAS officer. I want to be a great player. I want to be a poet. I want to be something. ये सब मेरे दिमाग में है. But it is somewhere like you can say in biology we say black patches. That is called black patches in our mind. It is stored. ये है. मुझे सिर्फ कब याद आता है जब मुझसे कोई पूछता है क्या बनना चाहते हो बेटा, तब मुझे याद आता है कि आई वॉन्ट टू बी फलाना. लेकिन जैसे वो बात फिर खत्म हो गई मैं भूल जाता हूं कि वो ब्लैक पैचेस में चला गया. और जब अपॉर्चुनिटी आया तो फिर से वो मेरा ब्लैक पैचेस मुझे रिकॉल किया. हाँ, यही करना है मुझे क्योंकि यही बनना है. आई डिडंट डू एनीथिंग एट ऑल इन माई होल ईयर. मैंने पूरे साल में कुछ नहीं किया, लेकिन इधर डाल के रखा ब्लैक पैचेस में कि बनना तो मुझे क्या है, वही जो बोल रहे हैं बचपन से, और उसके लिए कुछ नहीं कर रहे. So you are losing the opportunity. That opportunity will knock somebody's door. आज उसने मेरे दरवाजे को खटखटाया. I was not ready. I was sleeping. I was doing something. मेरे पास कई सारे बहाने थे. मेरे पास इतना काम था. मैं टेंशन में था. मेरा सर दर्द था. मेरे घर में इलेक्ट्रिक नहीं था. बहुत सारे बहाने बनाए. अपॉर्चुनिटी ने दरवाजे को ठकठकाया था. मैं उठा नहीं. मैंने खोला नहीं. मैंने उसका वेलकम नहीं किया. वो इस दरवाजे से दूसरे दरवाजे पे गया, वहां नॉक किया. शायद उसमें से कोई उठा और उसने उसे वेलकम किया. अपॉर्चुनिटी ने उसे उठाया और उसे उठा करके वो जो था वो तुम्हारे बीच में से ही कोई एक था. He or she has been waiting for the opportunity right throughout the year. The ambition was not in the black patch. अब उसका ambition जो black patch में नहीं था. It was moving continuously. उसी के लिए मैं जी रहा हूं. उसी के लिए मैं जगा हूं, उसी के लिए खा रहा हूं, उसी के लिए सब कुछ उसी के लिए है, तो मैं उसे ब्लैक पैचेस में कैसे डाल सकता हूं? वो मेरे फ्रंट पॉकेट में रहेगा, क्योंकि मैं उसी के लिए. यू हैव अ पेन एंड यू आर कीपिंग योर पेन हियर. व्हाट डज इट मीन? दैट यू डोंट वांट टू शो समबडी दैट आई हैव अ पेन एंड यू आर गिविंग अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अदर्स. कम ऑन, पिक इट. समझ रहे हो क्या बोल रहे हैं? पैसे को उठा करके तुमने पॉकेट में रख लिया और तुम्हें बिल्कुल डर नहीं है, तो पीछे के पॉकेट में रख रहे हो. इट इज नॉट एसेंशियल फॉर यू. यू आर गिविंग अदर्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. कम ऑन, पिकअप. लेकिन अगर लगता है ये मेरे लिए सब कुछ है, तो यहां नहीं रखेंगे. मैं उसे सेफ रखूंगा, सेफ रखूंगा, कहीं भी रखूं. ये खोएगा नहीं मेरे से, क्योंकि ये खो गया तो हो सकता है मेरा मंथली फी चला जाए, हो सकता है मेरे बुक्स का के लिए है, हो सकता है मेरा फी है, हो सकता है बहुत सारी ऐसे दवा का हो, कई कारण हो सकते हैं. तो इसलिए उन चीजों को हम ध्यान रखेंगे.